What does my C6 Corvette sound like?
So a couple months ago, I put a SLP loudmouth exhaust on my C6, and I haven't done any like outside POV clips really. There's a couple like driving clips that I have of it, but no really like actual revs. I have a few startups, like a cold start, and that's about it. But a lot of people have been asking me how it sounds like revving it, and so here it is. So we're gonna be doing a 3,000 RPM rev, 5K, and then red line after that. I apologize if the audio kind of sucks because I did put a microphone on it. So, and I am not revving my car again for more clips because, yeah, it's kind of scary revving at a red line. I kind of get scared a little bit. I might be a little bit of a pussy, but I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it too much. So there's what it sounds like. Let me know in the comments how it sounds.